The learning objectives of this lesson is Home tab and Font group. So this is the Home tab and this is the Font group, and we will discuss all these functions. This is called the ribbon I told you. So we will discuss all these functions one by one. First of all, whenever you will open the Word document, I told you, you will see document 1. This is called the title bar, and always you will see the document 1 here. But when you are writing second page, you will open third page and fourth page, so it will change document 2, document 3, document 4 and so on. But when you will save it, the file name appears here. So see here, this is the font group, and by default always you will see this is called the font size. This is the font, and font size always is 11 by default. Font always you will see here Calibri body by default, but you can change it or you can make your own settings here, right? I will show you that. Suppose if you want to make the font size, suppose 20, 18, 16 according to your choice. So first thing is, before going to apply any function, you have to select. Suppose we are applying on learning objectives, you have to select the learning objectives, right? There are 2 or 3 different ways how to select it. Very simple ways: press and hold your mouse and then select it. If you want to select only one word, right, not a complete sentence, suppose come here, this is the complete sentence. Suppose you want to select only horizontal, only one word. So what you have to do, bring your insertion point here anywhere in the word horizontal and double click, quickly double click the mouse. Suppose you want to select simply, so double click here. But if you want to select the complete sentence, complete paragraph, so what you have to do, bring your insertion point anywhere in the sentence or in the paragraph and triple click, quickly triple click the mouse. You will select the complete sentence or a paragraph. Another way is, which we will use usually, press and hold your mouse and select it. Another way is, bring your insertion point before the first letter of the sentence and again triple click. So in MS Word there are 2 or 3 different ways for each function, but important thing is that you have to select the area. Suppose if I am not going to select learning objectives and I want to make font size 18, so see what will happen. Open this arrow, there are different font size, 26, 14, 20, 48. So suppose if you want to make it 24, click here 24. See what happens, nothing. So undo it. So I told you that first you have to select it. So select this range and then open this arrow and now see 20, 22, okay, 18, whatever you want. Heading, because normally we say 36, 40, 28, it should be a little bit more font size compared to rest of the body of the essay or body of the document. So okay, we say 20, so that is fine. And by default I told you always is a Calibri body. Open this arrow and see these are the different font. So you can try. This is the Arial black, right? This Arial rounded empty bold, Berlin Sans. So, and you can scroll down. This is the scroll bar. You can try whatever you want, right? So here in this case, suppose I say I need Arial black, so Arial black is fine for me. Okay, now the same function, font size, this is the font size. You can increase or decrease from here as well. This is A, and see the arrow is up. In this, A arrow is down. It means if you want to increase it, you can do it from here. And you can see the effect. Now this is 36. If you say no, 36 is too much, I want to decrease, you can open this arrow or you can set it from here as well. Right, now you want to make it bold, italic and underline. So this is for bold, so make it bold, italic, see now it is italic, and underline. This is the underline, click here underline. See the underline is in the red, almost maroon shape, red color. So you can change this color. I will show you how to do it, right? Open this arrow which is besides the underline, and then you will find out different underlines. See, you can make the wavy line or this line or this line, what line you want to underline your letter or word. If you do not like from here, so this is the more underlines. Open this more underlines and see from here. You can open this, whatever you want you can choose from here. Suppose if I say we want double wavy line, click on the double wavy line, and here you can change the color, yellow, blue, whatever color you want. If you do not like color from here, so this is the more color. Click on the more color, and then you will see this is our color now. This is the standard color. Okay, if I click here, you can see the preview here. Current, so far we have this color, and now we are going to make this color, but you can see other colors are also available, whatever you want. And then say okay, and you can see the preview here as well. So see, now this is our underline. Okay, then we did this, and now come here. This is the change case. Change case means sometimes, see, this is we are writing in such a way that first letter is capital and the remaining is small. First letter is capital, remaining are all small. If you want to make it all capital, sometimes we need it, so you have to open this change case, and then see there are 5 different ways. First is the sentence case. Sentence case means first letter of each sentence will be capitalized, all will remain capital small. Lower case, okay, we will try. See, just first you have to select it, otherwise you cannot perform any function. Sentence, so see, the first letter, the L is capital, all are small. Open it again, we will see lower case. What will happen? All are in the lower case. So suppose if you have written on in lowercase, then you have decided, no, I should all in capital. So do not delete it. Open this select and then go here, open the change case, and this is the uppercase. So see, this is the uppercase. Open this and then capitalize each word. Each word. This is one word, this is one word, each word. Okay, see, the first letter of each word is capitalized, all are small. And then last one is the toggle case. Toggle case means the first letter of each word will be small, all will be capital. See, like this, right? Okay, and this is for clear formatting. See, if I click here, what will happen? It will go back to this, but the case will remain the same, but all the formatting whatever we did, so now we want like this, so it is okay, right? So okay, make it bold, and like this 22 bold. This is for the font color. See, now our font color is black. If you want to change it, open this and see whatever you like. If you do not like any color, same thing, you can go to the more color and you can find. Now we have black, that is why it is black. So see, if I pick green, so it will show you the preview that current we have black and new is this. If you do not want from here, click on the custom, and then from here and here you can also increase or decrease. See, whatever you want. And here is the red, 240, green. This is the color model, this blue. So we can pick this. So our learning objectives are now in this color. And this is for the highlight. It will use as a highlighter. Open this. So see, if you want to highlight any heading or anything, so you can do from here. So suppose we do yellow, right? And now this one, what is this? Strike through, cross something out by drawing a cross line. Just click here. So first you have to select and then click here. See, a line will come up here. This feature we do not use usually, but you should know what it does. So here I have written the definition of it is strike through. This simply means that word shows a horizontal line through the middle of the character to which the attribute has been applied. Right, okay. Now this one, we will make it bold so you can see easily. Home tab and font group. Here we will apply this feature, this one, text effect. So open this text effect and we will see. It will show you how you can write down your text. Like this. Okay, I see this one. And then open this gallery again and outline what color you need for your outline. You can pick from here. And then open it again and play with all these shadow, how you want to show to your audience, like this or this shadow you want, right? There are too many features. Glow, it will glow like this or this. So this features, this is from the text effect. From here, text effects and typography, you can change from here. Right, so now these two are remaining, x2 or x square. So we use sometimes just like x square, we write in maths. This is the x square. Suppose we want to write down x square, but this is not square, but square should be here. So just select 2 because we are using this. This is called the superscript and subscript. Superscript you have to write down on the top. So you have to select this 2 and open this launcher button and you can see superscript here. Superscript, click here and okay. So see this x square. This is called the superscript. Come down here. If suppose you write x2 as a subscript, this one is a subscript, right? So select this one, we are here, right? So what you have to do, make it or here and then subscript and okay, right? So all is complete. Font group, by this one I told you by default is 11 and by default is Calibri body. If you want to change it, if you want to set it again, you can go from here or here, anywhere, more underline, or we will go here and see if you want that whenever you will open your document, by default font size should be 14 and it should be bold and your body should be Arial black. So you have to set from here and then you have to set as default. When you will click here, I'm not going to click here, when you will click here set as default, whenever you will open your document next time, your font size will be 14 and it is regular. If you want it bold, italic, whatever, it's up to you, Arial black instead of 11 and Calibri body. I hope everything is clear. If you still have any question regarding font group, you can write down in the comments section. I will try my best to answer it. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.